When I got diagnosed with mast cell activation syndrome, I knew I needed to make a swap with my foods, but that was so hard for me. So I created habits like cooking my food at home to reduce my flare-ups. As this became part of my daily routine, I learned what triggered my symptoms. Then I took the next step of incorporating foods that I could tolerate. This didn't happen overnight. It's important to remember that anyone with mast cell activation syndrome is different. Everybody flares on different things. Don't forget to talk to your doctor first. Living with MCAS, I also have to cook for a family of 4 who does not have MCAS. So finding meals that make me not flare, that my family actually loves, has been a challenge. But these carne asada fries are definitely a hit in my home. And to top it off, for any parent out there, it only takes 30 minutes to make. So whether you have MCAS or you don't, you're going to really enjoy these 30-minute carne asada fries. You're going to start by browning your carne asada in a pan or on the grill. I normally get the Arrachera from the carniceria, but you can get whichever one you like. Then you're going to deep fry your french fries until they're golden brown. You can also put them in the air fryer or the oven to bake. If cheese makes you flare, you can try a vegan cheese that will melt the same way. For us, we're going to use Oaxaca and Colby. Remember, I'm making this for a family of 4, so avocados flare me, but I'm not going to skip this for my family. My husband does not like guac. He only likes sliced avocados, so I will put that on his. So once my french fries got nice and golden brown in the deep fryer bath, I'm going to lay them on a baking sheet, and then I'm going to start layering my food. I like to layer my carne asada first, and one of my kids does not like the carne asada, so then I will leave an empty spot on the baking sheet so that she can just have some cheesy fries. Then I will go ahead and generously lay out all of the cheese over my carne asada and the french fries, and then we are going to pop this in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes just to melt the cheese. Downside of cooking at home is dishes, and I swear by using parchment paper underneath everything makes cleanup so much easier. Then you're going to fill your carne asada with all your favorite toppings. I use tomatillo salsa because I can't have tomatoes, and a little bit of crema, and here you go. I'll list all the swaps and ingredients in the caption, but I hope you enjoy these 30-minute carne asada fries at home.